So let's go ahead. Recently, I celebrated a festivals when I burned many crackers and they made such a noise that I wanted to pop them every day. Then I wondered, how did I hear that sound? So today I'm going to tell you how do we hear sound. So let's first talk about sound and how does it travel. No. It doesn't, travel in the buses on the road. They travel by the air. Even the air doesn't have buses. There are no air buses. No buses. Okay, now they travel through the air. But now, when I clap, the air molecules over here, they're not touching my hand, but they're, near my hand. They hit each other and they start to vibrate. Ooh, I love vibrating. So, when the air molecules start vibrating, that air molecules start vibrating and moves back and forth, and that touches the another air molecule that vibrates and moves back and forth, and that touches. Okay, I think you got it. I don't want to tell the whole story of them. So then they all start vibrating, and some of them go in our ears, and then it hits the eardrum, a drum. Well, it's inside our ear, so that's why it's called an eardrum. Okay, yeah, and when they hit the eardrum starts moves back and forth, and then the bones which are sleeping behind the eardrum, when the sleeping lazy bone is just vibrates, it starts moving back and forth. Okay, I said back and forth too many times. Okay, you understand it. So then it starts moving back and forward. And then when the last one hits my ear skin, then it moves the nerves which are like dancing Hawaiian. Like they're wearing a grass cut and their hand is like this. They do like this, and but they do it fast. So the music is so the nerves take the signal. No, the nerves don't come out and walk to the brain. No. They make signals, and those signals go to the brain. And imagine I'm the brain. I was writing something. Okay, fine. Now let's see the note. Okay, this is the sound of cutest bee's clap. Okay, well, I have to signal her. It's so hard working like a brain. So, if sound can travel through air, can it travel underwater? Of course it can! Because that's how whales and dolphins and maybe seahorses talk to each other. And did you know, if a whale shouts underwater, it can go 100, 300 kilometers far. So, what is sound? Well, I wanted to give you an activity. Just touch your throat. Like, You can try it at home. Just try it. Oh, it's vibrating. So I have this glass made of glass. Can you see I've tied a rubber band to it? See, it made a noise. Can you see the rubber band move back and forth? With this glass full of water, it makes a sound more louder. This doesn't, echo. It makes another sound. Curious fact! Can we hear sound in space? No, we cannot, because space is a vacuum. Vacuum means nothing. It doesn't have air. So how can there be air molecules? No air molecules means no sound. So how is sound made? Well, anything that vibrates the air is sound. Like when you clap, you make a sound. When you sing, that makes sound. When you play a guitar, that makes sound, because these all things vibrate the air, and that's how we hear it. So next time you hear a sound like, always know that somewhere something is vibrating the air. So that's all for today. I'll meet you in my next video.